guest, for example, is with a company that creates HD music streaming systems, and they do this in a rather unique way. You certainly want to hear about this. General Manager for Simple Audio is Robert Mookerjee.
Close. Ruben Mookerjee.
Oh, I'm just reading what's been put in front of me. Sorry. But it's
Mookerjee.
Ruben Mookerjee. Okay.
Yes.
Very good. Well, sorry about that, Ruben, but
That's
at
okay.
least now
I've
we'll
been called worse
remember.
things.
Exactly. Now we'll remember. Tell me, first of all, about HD music streaming systems. What is it that you guys are doing?
Well, we're a new company in the audio space, and we have what we believe to be a very innovative system, and it's for streaming the digital music that you have on your laptop, on your computer at home, on a NAS drive, wherever you keep it, to stream it around the home to various places where you want to listen to it. So
not unlike a regular whole home audio system, except you have a unique approach that most of us can afford.
Well, our product, which is the Room. Having a
See, I messed you up with your name.
The Room Player. Yes, that's right.
The Room Player. Okay.
So the Room Player is an HD music player. HD meaning 24-bit, which is sort of higher than the bit rate or the sample rates that iTunes will cope with.
Gotcha.
And the Room Player is a very high quality unit. It's built to last. It's got an aluminum frame and an etched glass top, actually, which acts as a heatsink. But the really innovative thing about the system is it's really designed for music lovers, in that it's designed for multi-users and multi-libraries. So what we mean by multi-libraries is that instead of having all your music in one place, because other music streaming systems, as you've mentioned, they do exist, but typically they expect you to collect together all your music files and put them in one place on a NAS drive or a computer. But we approached it from the other direction. We approached it from the user's direction. Because all your music isn't in one place. It's typically all over the place. It's on your laptop, on your phone,
it might be on a tablet. You gather stuff on your phone, right?
Absolutely. So instead of putting you through the ordeal of pulling it all together in one place, we actually let you play it from where it is. And combined with that, we also have multi-users. So in your home, my wife, for example, has a fairly eclectic collection of country and western music, which I'm not really interested in, and neither is she interested in my
like
Delta
my son
blues.
Chris, who's on your camera. Same
Chris.
thing. He likes both country and western. It's really weird.
Both types.
I'm not a fan either. But there's a great example, though, about how it doesn't matter as long as it's your music and something you like. You're making it simple to share and to play in any room of the house.
Absolutely, yes. And you get to look at just the music you want to look at.
Right.
So you could well have your entire collection on a NAS drive, but you might not want to see it all because there's country and western music in there you don't want to.
As an example.
Or my Delta blues that my wife doesn't like.
Yeah, maybe she doesn't like the hip-hop that you might have somewhere. Who knows? You know, the fact is she just wants to select stuff that she likes. And it should be that way.
Yes.
That's what technology is all about. And, of course, you guys at simpleaudio.com are making it easy to do that. How do we connect to all these different devices then? What's the connection method?
Well, the underlying system runs, it's basically a networked system. It runs off the Ethernet. But one of the hardware innovations we have is that every unit has built-in power line data transmission technology. So it's a 200 megabit data path that's using the power outlets in your home.
And you pretty much have that available in every room.
Yes.
So the idea is that if you plug in, you have to plug in a receiver then in that room?
Well, you just have to plug in the unit.
Player.
The unit is a receiver.
Gotcha.
And appears on your network.
Right.
And the big advantage over Wi-Fi or any wireless system is that, of course, it's not competing for bandwidth with your other members of your household who might be web surfing or watching a Netflix movie or something.
Yeah, downloading some major flick that's going to suck up all your bandwidth.
Exactly.
And it's not interfering with that.
Yeah.
So your power company is not even affected.
No,
Because
not
it's just
really.
using the power lines
It
to
just
get stuff
piggybacks
there.
off the
Yeah.
voltage.
Exactly. Now, what does the system cost? Can you give us an idea? And is it available now?
It is available now. It's now shipping worldwide. Ships both here in Europe as well as in the US. There are two versions of the room player. There's the standard room player, which sells in euros. It's 599 euros, and we also make a room player with amp, which is at 699 euros, which includes 50 watt 50-watt stereo amplifier.
And do we know the American dollar conversion of that, or
it's the same in US dollars,
really?
Which is
So
convenient. It's $5.99 and $6.99.
So
US.
it's a much better deal in the U.S. because at $599, that's considerably less than what
that's
€599
true,
is
but
worth.
depending on which state you live in, you're going to pay tax on that as well.
Well, you've got you. Okay, well, that's true.
And the European price, of course, does include 20% VAT. So.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, that's true. It has to be already included, right?
It does.
So that makes extra paperwork for you guys. But do visit them at simpleaudio.com. You're going to see all the whole system. And, of course, when you visit us at intotomorrow.com, not only will we link you to Ruben's site, not Robert's site, but Ruben's site, you'll also see the video of the interview where you can see this room player and how cool it is. Very nice-looking device as well, something you wouldn't mind having in any room. So do check it all out. And thanks for spending a couple of minutes with us.
Great. Thank you, Dave.
Our pleasure. We're back with more from Berlin, Germany, and IFA 2013. It's our 10th anniversary edition, broadcasting from IFA, and we're happy to do it. IntoTomorrow.com for more info.